Today I'm going to update about a reference part which is related to RAG application integration directly with Odoo. I already prepared one video which gives the idea about a simple RAG application with the document integration is done, and the chatbot I explained you last time is the Fairphone related chatbot, where you can ask any query related to Fairphone product and it will answer on basis of that. But that application, that video is limited to a specific limited scope, and I use the simple RAG over there. Simple RAG means in terms of the character what it split is in terms of simple, just a fixed number of character, fixed number of overlay, and the chunking will done fixed. And even the retrieval strategy also, obviously the retrieval strategy I support the semantic search, and even the keyword search are also there 30. But over here I have improved this system, and over there now I introduce the the paragraph semantic chunking strategy I have included, where the chunking is done based on paragraph basis. Like, it will not split the character on basis of a fixed number of character. I can show you now an example of my website, which is actually vpcscloud.com, and I have prepared this document where whatever the shop number of products I provide related to Odoo App Store, I covered everything inside that. So you see the split is generated in terms of meaningful chunking, means it will chunk, and even some overlay are there with reference of previous linking are there. So why it is beneficially? It is beneficially in terms of context and semantic level. If chunking is done in a proper way, then the retrieval process will better result for the AI to evaluate. So I have improved completely this, so the retrieval can be done so easily. Even you will see that it will not split the character on a specific character basis. It will just do a proper paragraph, and the paragraph mapping are also there for each and every splits, and this will improve all the RAG pipeline so well. Under the hood of the RAG configuration, you have a strategy for the embedding model selection. So you can use any embedding model. You can choose a provider type, or whatever provider type you want to choose. So let's say if I want to use Ollama as a provider type, then it will use a Ollama as a provider model for that. If I use Groq, then it will choose Groq. Based on that, it will go for it. Okay, so for now, let's take, but see, this is the provider type which is used because the OpenAI compatible provider I have used. This OpenAI compatible is used for the storage purpose, right? So our document, whatever the document I link, it will store under the hood of that. But I have added a new things, like under the live chat integration. Over here, I have a language selection, and even I have choose AI assistant with Ollama integration. So under the Ollama chat, because Ollama is installed locally, I will use Llama 3.2, and it is a CPU installed, and I just tested on top of it. Over here, I have updated my prompt, which is related to VPCS chat, and it will give me the HTML format result, because I needed a structural output based on HTML. So it is human readable, properly read by any person who comes for the chat support, and let's test it out. So I'm just open the Ignotite window, which is a separate, and let's start the chat. So this is Odoo 19, because that's why it gave me a more extra option. It was previously it was not there, but now Odoo 19 will allow you to the extra option at the initial side. So I just type hello, so it will call the Ollama model, which is a local model, and then I'm looking for construction app for Odoo 18. So it will easily answer the query based on the app, whatever app is available, and not only the app, it will give me the app detail also, like say what is the app code, what is the overview of that app, what is the price in USD, what is the key feature it covered, and I just need to directly click and it will open the app with the variant selection, and you just need to go for the further process. So this is a direct integration. I can ask more. I want to purchase app related to purchase related to subcontracting with dynamic stock rules selection. So subcontracting app is available, but I have a 2-3 subcontracting app. So it will directly, LLM provider will search the related app and it will give me the result. So here is the module, it find it out, and I can directly check this app, subcontracting work order without BOM with return consumed. So I already asked that I needed an app which will allow me to configure dynamically that how much quantity I want to send, how much quantity I want to receive as a dynamic attribute. So it will give me a proper context, because I have a 3 or 4 subcontracting app, but out of 3-4 it will easily search a very specific app and it give me a proper app. Similarly, I can ask, I want app for survey saving. Can you and this chat model is running on a local LLM provider, which is Ollama model, and I did not use OpenAI or Google Gemini or anything. So it just run on top of it. Now it is give me a service, and even it will follow the version specific request also. So that is also possible. If I ask version specific query, it will give me that also. That's it. I'm looking for AI agent in Pydantic AI Journey app in version 18, and now it will give me a custom app which we developed for version 18, and you see it gave me the version 18 agent universe version 18, the price of this app, dynamic server action intelligent are there, and when I click this it will open specific to version 18. Even the filter version is also applied. Obviously this is our own configuration for the attribute value what we added. So this chatbot is completely ready, and this chatbot is supporting me totally Odoo 18, 18, 19. Obviously 18 is also available. 19 currently I am running in Odoo 19 community version, and obviously I can specify the feature related to VPSS Cloud, and it is work based on prompt. I can change the prompt and it will work based on one. So I just leave yes, and thanks for your support. That's it. So this way you will see the conversation is stored inside the Odoo support. And this live chat configuration, if you see that I have already added the various options for you, which is related to Wixjet, where you can use this as a JavaScript provider for any WordPress website or anywhere. If you want to link this, that is also possible. You can have a language selection with the AI agent. If I want to add this on another language, it will support that also. The rack configurations are also there, where I use the OpenAI configuration. I use a hybrid search for vector and BM25. Chunking are there, and the rag store is also linked with that, and that store is visible with reference of my whole website's document, and this document is split based on the meaningful content and meaningful result. So that's why the quality is also improved very well. So that's it. I think that's the thing I want to update in the current video.